Imagine waking up to $300 in affiliate commissions every single day. Picture this. The sun is just rising, casting a golden hue over the beach outside your window. You stretch, yawn, and reach for your phone. As you unlock it, you see the notification. Another $300 added to your account overnight. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a reality that many are already experiencing. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that this dream is within your reach? Thanks to the advancements in artificial intelligence, making money online has never been easier or more accessible. The days of grinding away at a 9-to-5 job are becoming a thing of the past. Now you can leverage cutting-edge technology to create a steady stream of income. Well, with the power of AI, this dream can be your reality. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that can automate and optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. Imagine having a virtual assistant that works tirelessly around the clock, analyzing data, identifying trends, and making strategic decisions to maximize your earnings. This is the future of affiliate marketing, and it's happening right now. AI is changing the game of affiliate marketing. It's no longer about guesswork or trial and error. With AI, you have access to precise analytics and insights that can guide your strategy. You can target the right audience, promote the best products, and create content that resonates with your audience. The result? Higher conversion rates and more commissions in your pocket. It's like having a team of robots working for you 24/7, finding the best products, creating killer content, and driving traffic to your offers. These AI-powered tools can handle everything from keyword research to content creation, social media management, and even customer support. This means you can focus on what you do best while the AI takes care of the rest. This is your chance to get ahead of the curve and unlock the incredible earning potential of AI-powered affiliate marketing. By embracing this technology, you can stay ahead of your competition and tap into new opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, AI can give you the edge you need to succeed. Get ready to discover the secrets to making $300 a day or more, all while working from anywhere in the world. Imagine the freedom to travel, spend more time with your loved ones, and pursue your passions, all while your AI-powered affiliate marketing business generates income for you. The future is here, and it's time to take advantage of it. So, are you ready to transform your life and achieve financial freedom? Let's dive in and explore the world of AI-powered affiliate marketing together. Why is 2025 the year of AI affiliate marketing? Simple. The advancements in artificial intelligence have reached a tipping point, making it an indispensable tool for marketers. AI has become smarter and more accessible than ever before. It's no longer just a buzzword or a futuristic concept, it's a reality that's transforming the way we do business. From small startups to large corporations, everyone is leveraging AI to gain a competitive edge. Remember those clunky AI tools from a few years ago? Forget about them. The AI of today is sleek, efficient, and incredibly powerful. It's like comparing a horse-drawn carriage to a modern electric car. The difference is night and day. Today's AI is like having a marketing genius by your side. It analyzes data at lightning speed, predicts trends before they happen, and automates tasks that used to take hours. Imagine having a tool that can sift through mountains of data in seconds, providing you with actionable insights that can drive your marketing strategy. This means you can say goodbye to tedious research, endless content creation, and struggling to get traffic. AI takes care of the grunt work, allowing you to focus on the creative and strategic aspects of your business. It's like having an extra pair of hands that never get tired. AI does the heavy lifting so you can focus on what matters, making money. With AI handling the mundane tasks, you can dedicate more time to building relationships, creating high-quality content, and scaling your business. The future of affiliate marketing is here, and it's powered by AI. Imagine brainstorming with your team and having AI provide real-time feedback and suggestions. Picture a whiteboard filled with marketing strategies, all optimized by AI to ensure maximum impact. Visualize a computer screen showing a successful marketing campaign, all thanks to the insights provided by AI. The results speak for themselves: increased traffic, higher conversion rates, and a significant boost in sales. These are just some of the benefits that AI brings to the table. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. And the best part? You can achieve all of this while enjoying more free time. Whether it's relaxing on a beach with your laptop or spending quality time with your family, AI allows you to live the digital nomad lifestyle without sacrificing your business goals. So, as we move into 2025, it's clear that AI affiliate marketing is not just a trend, it's a revolution that's making it easier than ever to succeed in the digital marketplace. Embrace the future, embrace AI, and watch your business soar to new heights. Finding profitable affiliate products can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But with AI, it's like having a metal detector that pinpoints the gold. Imagine an AI tool that scours the internet for you, analyzing thousands of products in seconds. It identifies products with high demand, low competition, and juicy commissions. That's the power of AI at your fingertips. No more guessing games, just data-driven insights to help you choose products that are practically guaranteed to sell. Creating engaging content is crucial for affiliate marketing success. But who has time to write blog posts, record videos, and design social media graphics all day long? Enter AI content generators. These powerful tools can write compelling product reviews, create captivating social media posts, and even script engaging video scripts, all in a matter of minutes. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz to use them. Simply input your keywords and let the AI do its magic. You'll be amazed at the quality and creativity of the content it generates. Section 5. Drive traffic on autopilot with AI. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. But getting people to your affiliate offers can feel like an uphill battle. Thankfully, AI is here to save the day again. AI-powered traffic tools can automate your social media marketing, optimize your website for search engines, and even run targeted ad campaigns for you. Imagine waking up to a flood of new leads and customers, all thanks to the power of AI. With these tools, you can sit back, relax, and watch your affiliate commissions soar. Section 6. Scaling to $300 a day. AI is your secret weapon. In today's fast-paced digital world, leveraging artificial intelligence can be the game-changer you need to elevate your affiliate marketing efforts. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that can transform your approach and results. Making $300 a day with AI affiliate marketing isn't just a pipe dream, it's an achievable goal. Imagine waking up every morning to see your earnings grow steadily, thanks to the intelligent systems working tirelessly behind the scenes. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identify trends, and optimize your campaigns in ways that would be impossible manually. But how do you go from a few dollars a day to a consistent 300 or more? The key is leverage. Leveraging AI means using its capabilities to amplify your efforts. It's about working smarter, not harder. AI tools can help you identify the most profitable niches, target the right audience, and even predict future trends. This strategic advantage can set you apart from the competition. AI allows you to scale your efforts exponentially. Think of it as having a team of experts working around the clock, analyzing data, optimizing campaigns, and ensuring that every dollar spent is maximized for the best return on investment. This kind of scalability is what makes AI indispensable in modern affiliate marketing. Once you have a winning formula, you can use AI to replicate your success across multiple platforms and products. This means you're not just limited to one campaign or one product. AI can help you diversify your portfolio, spreading your risk and increasing your potential for profit. Imagine having multiple streams of income all managed and optimized by AI. Imagine managing dozens of affiliate campaigns simultaneously, all optimized and automated by AI. This level of automation frees up your time, allowing you to focus on strategy and growth rather than getting bogged down in the day-to-day management of your campaigns. AI can handle the heavy lifting, giving you the freedom to innovate and expand. That's the power of scaling with AI, and it's the secret to unlocking truly life-changing income. By integrating AI into your affiliate marketing strategy, you can achieve financial freedom and create a sustainable, scalable business model. The future of affiliate marketing is here, and AI is your secret weapon to harness its full potential. Section 7. The future of affiliate marketing is here. The future of affiliate marketing is here, and it's powered by AI. Those who embrace this technology will have a significant advantage in the years to come. Imagine a world where AI handles all the tedious tasks, leaving you free to focus on strategy, creativity, and building your brand. That's the promise of AI affiliate marketing, and it's closer than you think. Don't get left behind. Now is the time to jump on board and ride the wave of AI to affiliate marketing success. Section 8. Your journey to $300 a day starts now. You've learned the secrets of AI-powered affiliate marketing. You've seen how AI can help you find winning products, create engaging content, drive traffic on autopilot, and scale your earnings to $300 a day or more. Now it's time to take action. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. The world of AI affiliate marketing awaits, and it's filled with endless possibilities. Are you ready to unlock your earning potential and achieve financial freedom? Section 9. Claim your free AI toolkit today. To kickstart your AI affiliate marketing journey, I'm giving away a free AI toolkit packed with resources to help you succeed. This toolkit includes a curated list of the best AI affiliate marketing tools, exclusive discounts on premium AI software, step-by-step guides and tutorials, and much more. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to supercharge your affiliate marketing efforts with the power of AI. Click the link below to claim your free toolkit today.